Yo, what's up everybody? Croatia is the hidden gem of Europe you need to visit. Stunning coastlines, historic cities, delicious food, and friendly people. In this video, we're diving into the top 10 places you can't miss in Croatia. So buckle up, grab your passport, and let's get this Croatian adventure started. First up, Dubrovnik, the pearl of the Adriatic. This stunning city is a gem on the Croatian coast, known for its breathtaking beauty and rich history. This city is straight out of a storybook, with its ancient walls, red-roofed houses, and crystal-clear waters. The medieval architecture and the vibrant colors make it feel like you've stepped back in time. If you're a Game of Thrones fan, you have to visit Dubrovnik. This city served as the primary filming location for King's Landing, the capital of the Seven Kingdoms. This is where they filmed King's Landing, and seeing it in person is even cooler than on screen. The narrow streets and historic buildings bring the fantasy world to life. Walk the city walls, get lost in the old town, and imagine yourself in the middle of all the action. The views from the walls are spectacular, offering a panoramic look at the city and the sea. Dubrovnik is a foodie's paradise, with fresh seafood, delicious pasta, and local wines. The local cuisine is a delightful blend of Mediterranean flavors, and the seafood is as fresh as it gets. Seriously, Dubrovnik is a must-see. Whether you're a history buff, a foodie, or a Game of Thrones fan, this city has something for everyone. Don't miss out on this incredible destination. Next up, Plitvice Lakes National Park, a dreamlike place. Imagine cascading waterfalls, turquoise lakes, and lush greenery. 16 interconnected lakes create incredible waterfalls and pools. Walk along wooden pathways, take a boat ride, or find a quiet spot and soak it all in. Bring your camera because the photo ops here are endless. Plitvice Lakes is a reminder of the raw beauty of nature. Get ready for Split, where ancient history collides with modern energy. The heart of Split is Diocletian's Palace, a UNESCO World Heritage Site. This isn't just some dusty old ruin, it's a living part of the city with shops, restaurants, and apartments. After exploring the palace, head down to the Riva, Split's waterfront promenade. Grab a coffee, people watch, and soak up the Mediterranean vibes. Split is a great base for exploring the nearby islands. Next up, Hvar, the ultimate island getaway. Stunning beaches, crystal-clear waters, and legendary nightlife. Relax on beaches like Zlatni Rat, which changes shape with the tides. Rent a boat, explore hidden coves, or go snorkeling. As the sun sets, Hvar town comes alive. Head up to the Hvar Fortress for epic views, then hit the bars and clubs. Hvar is the perfect blend of relaxation and excitement. Get ready to fall in love with Rovinj, a charming coastal town. Colorful buildings, cobblestone streets, and the smell of fresh seafood. Rovinj is a photographer's dream. Wander through the narrow streets, get lost in the local markets, and find a spot for a romantic dinner. Rovinj is a seafood lover's paradise with the freshest catches of the day. Pair your meal with a glass of Croatian wine. Rovinj is the perfect place to slow down and relax. Get ready for Zadar, where ancient history meets modern art. This Croatian gem is a place where the past and present coexist in perfect harmony. Discover Roman ruins that tell tales of ancient civilizations, medieval churches that echo with centuries of worship, and modern installations like the sea organ and the greeting to the sun that showcase contemporary creativity. Start your journey in Zadar's Old Town, a labyrinth of narrow streets surrounded by ancient Roman walls. Here, every corner has a story to tell, and every stone is a piece of history. Visit the Roman Forum, once the heart of public life in ancient Zadar. Marvel at the Church of St. Donatus, a stunning example of pre-Romanesque architecture, and the Cathedral of St. Anastasia, the largest church in Dalmatia. Head to the waterfront to experience Zadar's modern side. Stroll along the promenade, enjoy the sea breeze, and take in the vibrant atmosphere. The sea organ is a unique architectural sound art object that uses the movement of the waves to create harmonious music. It's a must-see for any visitor. As the sun sets, visit the Greeting to the Sun, a solar-powered light show that illuminates the night with a mesmerizing display of colors. It's a perfect way to end your day in Zadar. Zadar is a city that surprises with its blend of old and new. The juxtaposition of historical landmarks and modern art installations creates a unique and captivating atmosphere. Explore history, art, and culture all in one place. Whether you're a history buff, an art lover, or just looking for a beautiful place to visit, Zadar has something for everyone. Pula Gladiator Arena and Roman History, calling all history buffs. Home to one of the best-preserved Roman amphitheaters in the world. Imagine stepping back in time to witness gladiatorial combats and chariot races. The Pula Arena is still used today for concerts and events. Pula also has a beautiful harbor, a charming old town, and plenty of beaches. Pula blends its ancient past with its modern present. Step back in time in Korčula, known for its medieval architecture and traditional sword dances. Korčula town is a maze of narrow streets and ancient buildings. Legend has it that Marco Polo was born here. Watch a traditional Moresca sword dance, an ancient spectacle. Sample the local wine, known for its Gorek and Posip varieties. Korčula has history, culture, beautiful scenery, and delicious food and wine. Experience the true meaning of Croatian hospitality. Next up, Zagreb, Croatia's vibrant capital city. World-class museums, beautiful parks, and a buzzing nightlife scene. Start in Zagreb's upper town, the historic heart of the city. Visit St. Mark's Church, stroll through charming streets, and enjoy views from Lauterskak Tower. Head to Zagreb's lower town, the city's modern center. Explore museums, art galleries, and shops, or relax in parks and gardens. As night falls, Zagreb comes alive with bars, clubs, and restaurants. Zagreb offers history, culture, art, and nightlife all in one exciting destination. Last but not least, Šibenik, a historic city often overlooked by tourists. Šibenik has stunning fortresses, beautiful cathedrals, and a unique charm that sets it apart from other destinations. The star attraction is the Cathedral of St. James, a UNESCO World Heritage Site. This cathedral is renowned for its architectural beauty and historical significance. The cathedral's dome is particularly impressive, made entirely of stone. Its intricate design and craftsmanship are a testament to the skill of the builders. Head up to St. Michael's Fortress for panoramic views of the city and the Adriatic Sea. The fortress offers a glimpse into the city's strategic importance in history. Explore the narrow streets of Šibenik's old town and admire the medieval architecture. Each corner of the old town tells a story of its rich past. Šibenik is a place to escape the crowds and explore history. Its quiet streets and historic buildings provide a serene atmosphere for visitors. Don't forget to stop by one of the local cafes to enjoy a coffee and soak in the ambiance of this charming city. As the sun sets, Šibenik transforms into a magical place, with its historic sites illuminated against the evening sky. So there you have it, the top 10 places to visit in Croatia. From ancient cities to stunning national parks, Croatia has something for everyone. Pack your bags and get ready for an unforgettable adventure. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more travel tips. Tell me in the comments which place in Croatia you're most excited to visit.